Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Carl Loop of Global Business Builders, and I want to show you how to get on the first page of Google with their Google directory listing. It's called Google Places. Let me first illustrate what I'm talking about. So if you type in insurance agent or car insurance agent, let's say auto insurance agent, and you get results back. Now some of these results are paid advertising using Google AdWords. So on the top here, these are ads being paid for, and on the side, if I scroll down, you'll see some more of them. On the side are Google ads being paid for, but there's a directory in the middle of this page of listings from Google Places. And if you hover over that directory listing, you'll see a little more information about that business, the business name, the location, the phone number, and so forth, photos, and if they have a video, that'll show. And that's on the first page. And that gets on the first page by the choice you make of the categories when you set up your Google Places account. All right, that's going to become a little more clear in a minute, and I want to show you that. So you type in google.com places, and we're going to choose on the side here, claim your business listing on Google for free, get started now. And if you don't have a Google account, it's free to set up, it's free to have, and you just need to set it up. So you hit this sign up, and you go in and you create that account, okay? And that's, enter your email address, your password, and other information, CAPTCHA, read the terms of service, and then create your account. Now, for the purposes of this video, it's going to be helpful that I already have an account set up, and so I do, and I'm going to sign into that. Okay, so I'm signing in. Now, the first thing it does in Google Places is it tries to find out, do you already have a listing? So you enter whatever phone number might be there so that it will find it if you've already set one up and just didn't remember. But chances are you haven't done it, and so it's not going to find your information, and so you need to go and fill out your information to get that directory listing all completed. And here are some of the fields that it asks for. Now, none of this part right here is not all that interesting, not very taxing on the brain. It's very simple. Just set up your country, your name, your company name, and so forth. Everything you see there, your email, your website. Now, here's where it gets more interesting. You want to put in a description here that is powerful, about 200 characters. The keywords that you select to use are important to consider. You want to pick the most powerful keywords for your business that you think people will be using to find your business. You've already got your website address in there, so you're just going to type what you want to say. Okay, and that's up to 200 characters, and it'll tell you how many positions you have. Now, here's where it's very interesting. Your business shows up according to the keywords people type in the search box and how that matches the category you chose. So it's very important to choose a good category, okay? Maybe in my case it would be something like Houston website design or so forth. Okay, and you just click add another category. So there's one, and you keep on adding, okay? Now you have to select one category that matches the suggestion as you type it. Actually, I made a mistake here. You don't really need to have the location because it knows where you're located by your address that you set up here. Okay, so website design, and now go ahead and choose one of the categories that was suggested. Now the rest of the categories that I choose are totally up to me, okay? So internet marketing, and I like internet marketing service, that's fine to show up for. And you just keep entering your categories. Again, what people put in the search box is going to be matched to the category. So you want to choose categories exactly like you want people to search for you to find you. And that gives you the best chance of showing on the first page for that keyword category. Okay? So that's basically it. And you're going to add up to 5 of those. Then you're going to put in your business hours and maybe what kind of payments you take and so forth. And then you're just going to, okay, you can also add a photo. We saw earlier that there were a few photos in the insurance agent listing. And you can also add a video. And actually you can add several videos, okay? And those can show up there in the directory listing on the first page of Google also. Okay? And then after you're done with all that, you're going to hit submit. Now here's the thing, it doesn't activate right away. Google's going to send you a postcard to the address that you put up there in your directory listing information, okay? In your Google Places information. And that postcard is going to take several days to get to you, and it's going to have a little activation code. Then you're going to need to log back into your account under Google Places and enter that activation code, And then within a day, usually, your Google Places directory listing can show up. And it can show up for those 5 categories that you chose. So choose those wisely. Those 5 Google directory listing categories are key. Okay, thank you very much. Hope you got some good value out of this. Good day.